Today, we will demonstrate how to secure finance group reporting in SAP BW for HANA using NextLabs Dynamic Data Filtering. Access to SAP Finance Group Reporting is controlled by user roles, ensuring that data visibility is restricted based on assigned permission. Data Access Enforcer automates policies and procedures to segregate and filter confidential data based on executive level and assign profit center. Policies are applied in real time during data access, ensuring that any updates are implemented instantly. Analysis for Office is one of the UI which allows you to do a lot of reporting directly from Excel. It's an add-in to Excel where you can connect to the backend database or the backend data of SAP or SAP BW for HANA and then do reporting on top of it. In this use case, we have two users. Demo user 3 is an executive user and demo user 4 is a non-executive user. So, the requirement here is if you are an executive user, you can view all the data in the company finance group report across different profit centers. On the other hand, if you are a non-executive user, then you can only see data for your assigned profit centers. Since demo user 3 is an executive user, he or she can view all data, whereas demo user 4, a non-executive user, this user can only see the profit center that this user is assigned to. Let me demonstrate this use case. I'm going to start my Excel, where I can log in into the analysis for Office. I'm going to create a new report. You can see here there's an add-in called Analysis. Now, I need to insert a data source into here. Then choose Select Data Source. This brings up your underlying SAP system that are connected to this landscape. Here, I can see all the different connections. I'm going to pick a connection which is BW for HANA. I'm going to log in as demo user 4, who is a non-executive user. I'm going to pick something I prepare for this particular use case, which is a profit center report. I'm going to select a query here. There are a lot of queries here. I'm going to look for queries that contains profit center. I'm going to select one which is based on BW for HANA Profit Center reporting. Since I know I have data for 2017, I'm going to choose 2017 as the fiscal year. Let's see how the reporting comes up. As you can see here, demo user 4, a non-executive user, can only view one of the profit center, which is YB600. If I scroll all the way down, I do not see anything else. Since demo user 4 is assigned to YB600 profit center, this user is authorized to view this specific profit center. So even though there are lots of profit center connect to this particular company code, demo user 4 can only view his or her assigned profit center. I'm going to close the report and I'm going to log back as an executive user who is a demo user 3. Here, I'm going to create a new report, the way that we did before, but this time we log in as an executive user. I'm going to select the same system that we select, which is BW for HANA. Now we log in as demo user 3, an executive user. Let's run the same report like what we have done earlier. I'm going to look for a query that contains profit center. I see the query here, Profit Centers Actuals. Click OK. Again, I'm going to pick 2017, where I know there's a data. So here, if you can see, there are lots of profit centers. I see a profit center US 10 PLC. If I scroll down, I see more profit centers. Whereas demo user 4, a non-executive user. This user can only view one of the profit centers, YB600, which is a shared service corresponding profit center. Basically, using a profit center as an attribute, we can do data filtering or data segregations dynamically in different UI. In this case, we use analysis for office. This security control is driven by a policy based on attribute called profit center, and also an attribute called whether you are executive or not. If you are not an executive user, which profit center you are assigned to, and based on that, data is automatically filtered. That wraps up our demonstrations on how you can achieve data security for Finance Group Reporting in SAP BW for HANA using NextLabs Dynamic Data Filtering. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to NextLab channel, and stay tuned for more data-centric security videos.